If you want to stop feeling sleepy while studying, these 5 things will change everything. If you're the kind of student who starts feeling tired even before you actually sit down to study, then trust me, that won't happen again. Because in today's video, I'm giving you the 5 best methods to stay awake and fully focused while studying. And believe me, Method 3 and Method 5 are extremely important if you want your brain to stay alert. So don't skip them. Watch till the end. Method 1. 50 to 10 rule. The 50 to 10 rule is simple. Study for 50 minutes, rest for 10 minutes. This short break resets your brain so you don't feel tired or drained. Top students use this because it keeps the mind fresh, reduces boredom, and helps you study without stress. To use it, set a timer for 50 minutes. Study, rest, repeat. If 50 minutes feels too long, start with 25 minutes study plus 5 minutes break, and repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times. Start short, then slowly increase the time. If you can't focus for 50 minutes yet, it's normal. Start with 25. Method 2. Drink caffeine or coffee. Most students drink caffeine wrong. Let me tell you the correct way. A small amount of caffeine or coffee can help you stay awake and focused. It boosts chemicals in your brain that keep you alert. Just don't drink too much. Half a cup is enough. And make sure not to drink after 4 p.m. because caffeine stays in your body for 8+ hours and makes it harder to sleep at night. The next method can reduce 30 to 40% of your tiredness. If you always feel sleepy while reading, this method alone can fix it. Method 3. Change your study method. Very important. Changing your study method means switching between different actions while studying. If you're reading, switch to learning. If you're learning, switch to writing. This keeps your brain alert and active for a long time. Example, if you're reading a chapter, switch to learning question and answers, then close the book and write the answers without looking. If you learn continuously without switching actions, your brain gets bored and you start forgetting things. By doing different actions, your brain stays awake and you memorize faster. Your brain remembers better when more senses are involved. And here comes our next method. Method 4. Use your 5 senses. In this method, you use as many senses as possible while studying. But the question is, how? Let me explain. Read answers loud. This activates ears plus voice. Learn while walking. Visualize diagrams or pictures in your mind. Write key points on a notebook. Explain topics to yourself in a loud voice. These small actions keep your brain awake. Using different senses makes the information stay in long-term memory and helps you recall faster. If your sleep is messed up, your studying will always feel 3 times harder. The next method is about sleep, and it's very important to sleep if you want to study for hours. Method 5. Sleep well and avoid late-night study. Sleeping well reduces tiredness and increases memory. Sleep is recovery for your brain, not an excuse to be lazy. You should sleep according to your age. When you sleep properly, whatever you learn gets stored in long-term memory. Also avoid late-night study, because at night, your brain gets confused between studying and sleeping. Instead, you should do morning study, because in morning, your brain is reset and can memorize more. So as promised, these were the 5 methods to study fresh without feeling tired. Let me quickly summarize them. Method 1. 50 to 10 rule. Study 50 or 25 minutes. Take 5 to 10 minutes rest. Method 2. Drink caffeine, coffee, half cup only, and not after 4 p.m. Method 3. Change your study method. Switch between reading, learning, writing. Method 4. Use 5 senses. Walk, visualize, write, and read out loud. Method 5. Sleep well. Avoid late-night study and get proper rest. Before leaving the video, if you want to study faster with more focus, then you should definitely watch this video on screen.